Hello investors, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to do a quick portfolio review since it's already end of month. Now, let's jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. For those of you on the weekly income team, welcome back. On this channel, we help you with option strategies that give you consistent revenue and everything related to finance and investments. Welcome to Investment Gains. Let's jump right into it. So it's like I said at the beginning, I don't have a strategy for you today. What we're going to do today is just do a quick portfolio reveal. So this is the portfolio reveal for end of May. So as you see, the account stands at $10,529.44. Thus far for the day, I am up $479. And for the week, I'm currently up $824 or 8%. Now it has been a good day and also a good week, but let's see how we compared to last month. So as of for the month, I'm still down $975. So I'm looking back. I'm looking very much forward to getting back those gains. Now let's jump over to our options. So the latest addition to my options fleet would be Apple. I just purchased Apple a week ago and now I'm selling options on Apple. Now, as you know, what I do on this channel is I sell weekly options so I can receive weekly revenue to help grow my account. What I have been doing is that I usually take my investment gains. For the month of May, I changed to a different strategy in which I stopped funding Robinhood, and what I did instead was leave my investment gains in and reinvest it back into my portfolio. So just to explain what I did, if I were to trade for 1 week and I receive $300 for that week, then I'll take those $300 and then I'll purchase stock, which increases my portfolio value. So that way I don't have to add anything else to Robinhood. The account just keeps growing by itself. So let's continue on. So as you can see, expiring in 1 day is going to be Apple, AMD, ChargePoint, Mara, Palantir, Skills, and Plug. I sell usually around 6 to 7 option contract a week, and I usually receive around 300 to 500 in weekly premium. So in order for me to sell those contracts, what I do have, I have a couple leaps options. So how do you know they're leap options? Well, you can see right here. You can see they're a call and you can see they're a buy call, and the expiration date is far out, represented 6 months or more. So I currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, and like I said earlier, I recently just added Apple. Okay, let's go down to our stocks now. So the portfolio is a bit different from what you guys saw last month. Now last month I hardly had any stocks, so like I said, what I decided to do is to reinvest that money back into the portfolio. And as you can see, my Microsoft is up, my Apple is up, Amazon is up. The only thing I did not buy this month was Tesla, so the portfolio is actually growing. Good. So now we're going to go into the buying power. Now my buying power is at 91.38. Now this is not where you want your buying power to be. You need your buying power to be at least a minimum of, let's say, 5% of your portfolio. But why exactly do you need cash in your account? Well, you need cash in your account for a lot of reasons. I'm just going to mention a few. The major one is that if there's an opportunity in the market, you have enough cash to jump at that opportunity. The next thing is, if any of my options decide to go in the money, then I would need to have enough money to make sure I could roll over the options. Now, when rolling over the options, two things could happen. I could either get a credit or I may have to pay a debit in order to roll over the options. So why would I want to roll over the options? As you know, I have a lot of videos on why you would want to roll over options, so I'm not going to go into that right now. Just wanted to give you a quick portfolio update of where I am. So now you see in 1 month the gains that you could get. I got roughly over $1,000 in gains, and if I continue to do this, then my portfolio by itself, without any additional contribution on my part, would go up to $6,000 by the end of this year. Meaning it's going to be $10,000 plus minus $6,000. It's going to be somewhere close to $15,000 by the end of the year. Let's see if the magic could happen. So the agenda for the next portfolio reveal is going to be at least $11,500, which is an additional $1,000 added to this portfolio. Now, this is a rocky market, as you all know. It is highly unstable, so getting these consistent gains is not that easy, but we managed to do it by selling weekly call options. So now that we got that out of the way, the strategies that we do on this channel are pretty simple and pretty straightforward. If you guys would like to trade as I do, or you'd like to support the channel, consider joining our Patreon. The link is going to be below. Now, we have lots of strategies like this on this channel to enable you to get weekly consistent revenue. If you want to join the weekly income team, like and subscribe right now. Also, hit the notification bell to get an alert whenever I post a video. But most importantly, if there's anyone out there you know that can benefit from extra money on the side on a weekly basis, please share this video with them. Let's help as many as we can. Thanks for watching, and remember to always take your investment gains, except in this case where you can actually reinvest it back into your portfolio.